Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Soul Land Awakening World game crashing or not working, not loading, not opening, stuck on loading screen, keep crashing, lagging, freezing or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing that I always suggest is to restart your phone once. So before you follow the methods, it's suggested to restart your device once. So for that press the power plus volume up button and then select to restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for the game update. So for that, just go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Soul Land Awakening World game and now check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that try to open it and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So you make sure your internet connection is stable, not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you can go to mobile data or do vice versa. And after that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, then click on OK. After doing this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If the game still doesn't launch, you are suggested to install a VPN app as it can help you to fix the problem. So for that, just go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it and after that log into it and then change the location and after that again try to play the game and see if you can play it. If not, you should also check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, go below, click on system update and here you will find if there is any update available for your Android phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues even after following the methods, then are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After uninstalling the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and after that click on the install option and once your game is installed, now try to play the game and check if it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.